Meaning of decipher.
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 Decipher. Decipher refers to the process of interpreting or understanding something that is difficult to comprehend, such as coded language or obscure text. The result of deciphering is gaining a clear understanding of the meaning of the information that was previously indecipherable. This can involve breaking down complex codes, translating languages, or interpreting symbolic imagery. Deciphering can be a challenging and time-consuming task, requiring specialized skills and knowledge, but it can also lead to valuable insights and discoveries in fields such as cryptography, linguistics, and archaeology.